What is up YouTube? My name is Terry. Today we'll be looking at the Nike Dunk High Varsity Maize. The past few weeks have been super hectic with all these crazy releases at the end of the year. I finally got the time to unbox this Nike Dunk High Varsity Maize, or aka Iowa, aka WUTANG, without the WUTANG logo. Whatever you call it, this is one of my favorite dunks out there. Now, before I jump into the review, I'll be talking about the shoes briefly and break down the review into three main parts. First, I'll be covering the comfort, pricing, fit, and aesthetics of the shoe. Next, I'll be giving an overall rating based on my opinions, with an on-fit video on how to style this Dunk High Varsity Maize. Alright, now let's get into it. Back in '85, the Dunks were first introduced in the Be True to Your School series, where Nike would team up with the top schools in US, releasing colorways that represent their schools. The Dunks, aka College Color High, were originally sketched by Peter Moore, who is the designer of the signature Air Jordan 1. We took inspiration from the ones in Terminator by mashing them up together, creating this. Fast forward to 98 and 99, the Dunk High was reissued in its OG colorway. At the time, the popularity of the Dunks went off the roof due to the collab with the legendary East Coast hip-hop group Wu-Tang Clan. With the Wu-Tang logo added on the heel and shoe tag, those were made for friends and families only, and the price are currently at over 20k Australian dollars on StockX. If you're interested into knowing more about the Dunks, I would highly recommend you to watch the Nike series, The Story of the Dunk. It explains the story of the Dunk and SB in great details. I'll leave the link in the description down below. Now let's get into the review. The Varsity Maize Dunk High comes in a regular Nike box. It mainly consists of two colors, the black and white, except for the midsole which is in white. They are the team colors of the Iowa Hawkeyes. The whole of the shoe upper is made of soft leather with a thick cushion padding around the ankle. The pair comes with yellow laces along with two additional laces that are in black and white. It features a black shoe tongue with the Nike branding on the tag. For the outsole, we get the same Jordan 1 design with Nike branding in the middle. When I first got them out of the box, the leathers feel really soft and smooth. Very nice to hold them on hand. They feel even better when I put them on feet, especially that thick cushion padding. These are thicker than the Jordans and they feel so much better. I bought a US size 10, which is my normal size. The fit is quite similar to the Jordans, so I will go half a size up if your feet are really wide. Otherwise, just stay true to your size. I got these from my favorite store, which is again from About the Clouds. They retail at 160 Australian dollars. Definitely worth it, as I found the quality of these are on par with Jordan 1s if not better. These retro kicks with their color blocking is one of my favorite things. I just really like the simplicity and loud colors from them. Apart from that, I also really like hip hop, and Wu-Tang is one of my favorite groups out there. So of course these will look appealing to me, though some others might find these too bright and over the top. After reviewing the Dunk High Varsity Maize, my overall rating for these is 4 out of 5. Gotta say I'm a bit biased on these because this is how I got into kicks when I was young. I really dig the style for these shoes, but other than that, they do come at a very affordable price. That is if you can get it for retail. Okay, now let's move on to the on-fit video. this your favorite dunk of 2020? If not, what is your favorite? Let me know in the comment section down below. I'm really looking forward to the 2021 release. Hopefully I can get my hands on them and show it to you guys. If you like my video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Hit the notification bell button so you won't miss my new update. And finally, thank you for watching.